I spent a full day testing every Google AI tool I could find to see if any of them could actually build a real financial model. I tested Google Sheets, Google AI Studio, Antigravity or Vertex AI, and I even tested the Google CLI, which is the command line interface. It basically looks the same as Claude Code. Here's what I found, and honestly, it surprised me. So here's the task. I have a real term sheet, a 4-page debt facility document with tiered advance rates, interest floors, amortization schedules, the whole thing. The goal is to turn this into a working Excel financial model. Monthly schedules, automated formulas, automated borrowing based calculations, the works. This is the kind of task that takes a senior analyst a full day to build from scratch. I've already shown you how Claude handles it. So today I wanted to see what happens when you try to do the same thing inside Google's ecosystem, because a lot of you are using Sheets and I get asked about this pretty often. So I tested 4 tools. Let me walk you through what happened with each one. First, I tried Gemini inside Google Sheets. This is the most natural starting point. It's built right in. Here's my honest take. It can read your data, it can suggest formulas, it can help you think through structure, and for basic tables, it's fine. But it can't execute. It can't write a formula across 48 rows. It can't build a dynamic borrowing based calculation. It can't generate a model from a document. It tells you what to build. You still have to build it yourself. This is basically where ChatGPT was in early 2024. It's a smart assistant sitting next to your spreadsheet. It's not a builder. And here's the wild part. Claude has been doing this natively for months, almost a year. There are millions of people using Google Sheets for financial modeling, and Google just hasn't caught up. That's a huge gap. Next, I tried Google AI Studio. This one actually surprised me. It built a React app. It looks pretty clean, it had inputs, and it did calculate some outputs. It's genuinely cool as a quick prototype. If you need a very simple interactive view, like a basic what if calculator, this will get you there. But it's not a financial model. There's no Excel output, no formulas you can audit, no structure a CFO or auditor would actually trust. It's more of a demo toy than a finance tool. Now, Antigravity. Short story here, I tried Antigravity, which runs on Vertex, and it froze on me 3 times, even after restarting. I've used this before a few times, and I don't know what the issue was. It's really oriented towards coding tasks, not finance workflows, so I just moved on. Google CLI, the command line interface. This one actually got somewhere. I gave it the same term sheet, and I let it run. It did take almost an hour, and it produced a working Python script that eventually generated an Excel file. And here it is, monthly schedule, some formulas, a basic structure. Now compare that to what Claude built from the same document in 1/5 of the amount of time. Claude's model clearly outperforms the Google CLI. It's not even close. Both technically built a model, but one of them you can actually use and is, worthwhile handing to a lender. Here's my honest scorecard. Google Sheets plus Gemini, good for suggestions, can execute. It's fine for basic tables. AI Studio, cool prototype, not a finance tool. Antigravity, Vertex, I couldn't get it working. Google CLI, it got there, but it took almost an hour, and the output was oversimplified. None of them are ready for real financial modeling work. And look, I'm not saying this to bash Google. I have friends there. If you're a finance professional and you're deciding where to spend your time learning AI tooling, you need to know where the reps are worth it. Right now, Claude is lapping the field, and they have been for some time. That same term sheet that Google CLI took an hour to produce, Claude got it handled in 10 to 15 minutes, and it built something pretty phenomenal. My name is Juan. I'm with Watermelon AI. I help finance teams, so CPAs, CFOs, financial analysts, actually implement this stuff into their workflows so that it creates real leverage. If you're curious about the Claude model that I showed you, I'll link that video. And if you want more videos like this, subscribe. I drop them every single week.